old are your kids? Prepping with infants and prepping with teenagers comes with their own benefits and challenges. If you have an infant, you will need to prep on their behalf, but if you have a teenager, they ease the burden because your family has more team support. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing how to prep with kids. Stay tuned to this video and let's find out how to prep alongside your kids. It is not advisable to bug out with an infant. Instead, we are told to stay put during an emergency for rescue teams. But if you intend to take your baby on a bug out, you have to prepare for you and your infant. You need to pack enough food for the mother who may be breastfeeding and maybe buy some baby formula. Pack up your baby items, buy cloth diapers because they are reusable, and take a baby papoose too. For children between 1 to 3 years, you need to teach them how to eat finely minced or pureed solid foods. This way, you don't have to breastfeed them or carry baby food. You also need to potty train them to eliminate the use of diapers on a bug out. It would help if you bought a helmet for your toddlers, carry lots of water and juices, and prepare your kids for an emergency. When your child is within 3 to 10 years, you need to start teaching them prepper survival skills. They should know what's unsafe, and they should be taught how to use a radio, look through binoculars, tell the weather or read a map. Kids are always willing to learn new things at this age, so teach them in a fun way. Once a child is more than 10 years old, they can function as a full-fledged team member. When they are between 10 to 12 years, you can start teaching them how to drive a car and pack a bag for an emergency. These are basic skills every prepper should have so that they can help themselves in an emergency. The next age group is teenagers, and by this age, they can be regarded as mini-adults. They should be independent, reliable, and good at team movement. Your teenagers should handle household chores by this age because on a bug out, no one will do their laundry. If your teenager can go out into a wooded area and find their way home in a short time, they are already excellent preppers. A well-trained prepper kid is a confident and self-reliant kid. This training gets them prepared for not just emergency purposes, but for life in general. When you start training your kids from a young age, you can capitalise on their natural curiosity and teach them the appropriate survival skills. Are there personal tricks that you can use to prep your kids? I would love to hear your suggestions and answer your questions in the comments. Prepping with a baby can be overwhelming, especially when your baby is newly born, because infants depend on their parents for their survival. There are many things you should consider when prepping with a baby, such as their health, clothing size, food, and other factors. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be discussing prepping with a baby. Stay tuned to this video as I list out the factors you should consider when prepping. Ready? Here we go! Let's start with expectant mothers. As an expectant mother, you need to prepare yourself and your unborn child. You should speak with a midwife or doctor about delivering your baby unassisted, just in case your baby arrives during a disaster. Buy books and check the internet for articles that teach you how to give birth unassisted and care for the newly born. You should have a first aid kit with antiseptic cleaner, extra blankets, surgical scissors, and other essential items. You will need this during an emergency birth. Next is prepping when you have a baby. First, you need to think about mobility. During a bug out with your infant, you may have lots of things to carry while holding your infant with one hand. You should get a baby wrap carrier so that you can safely carry your baby and remain hands-free. You may also get a wagon or stroller. These options could be labour-intensive, but they have storage compartments that could carry most of your baby's items. The best feeding option for a baby is breastfeeding. You need to stock up on baby powdered formula. This way, if the mother of the child is unable to breastfeed due to health issues, stress, or nutrition, the baby will be fed baby powdered formula. When packing and storing food for your baby, buy baby food with long shelf life. You need to stock up on a lot of baby diapers because babies go through them quickly. Reusable cloth diapers are also important. You should have them in case you run out of disposable diapers. Also, pack diaper covers to act as a waterproof barrier between the soaked cloth diaper and your other items. Buy and pack babies' clothing for up to 2 years, because infants usually outgrow their clothing. You should go thrifting for clothing for every season, and if your child outgrows their clothes, you can use them as barter items or give them to another prepper in need. When it comes to your baby's sleeping comfort, you need a co-sleeper that doubles as a baby bed. You should also consider a playpen with bassinet attachments. Be sure to pack comfortable beddings and blankets for your baby. Your child's medical needs may be a little different from others, so ensure that you pack various medicines suitable for your infant's needs. You also need to keep your baby clean. Be sure to pack baby wipes, baby soap, and shampoos that are good for your baby. When prepping with a baby, you need to buy and gather the items they need little by little. And don't forget to pack play items. Your baby needs comfort and hours of entertainment. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.